Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing this delicious macaroni recipe. Guys, you are going to love this. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at this. It's so flavorful and it tastes amazing. You will love it, I tell you. So come along and let's do this delicious macaroni recipe. So guys, to start, I have some boiling water. I've already put salt in it, okay, and I'm just cooking the macaroni for a few minutes, not really making it quite soft, just cook it for a few minutes, okay. And then this is the veggies I'm using some Scotch bonnets, some onions, some spring onions, and some peppers. I am going to just cut this, okay, not really blend it. This is the macaroni. As you can see, I'm just showing to you that it's not that cooked, it's not soft, because I'm going to finish cooking it in my pan. All right, let's have some onions in my rapeseed oil, and I cook this onions until it is translucent, until it's quite nice and soft and smells amazing. Okay, so after that I want to just flavor my oil with some curry powder. Okay, and yes, I love adding curry powder to my oil, but guys, it takes it to another level. And then I add some tomato puree and I cook it for a bit. As you can see, the tomato puree is nicely cooked, and I'm going to add my chopped veggies as I showed you before. Okay, it's nicely chopped, okay, my food processor. I love doing this because it helps it cook quite quickly. All right, I add some water to it and I allow it to just simmer for a while. So guys, as you can see, it smells amazing. I'm adding some ginger, garlic, and onion puree. It's frozen, that's why you can see it like that. Just add it to it to season it nicely. Yes, I am adding some beef mince, so I need to spice it with some salt, and also I have to add some onion powder, garlic powder, and also some black pepper and white pepper, and also add ginger powder to it as well. Yes, I love seasoning my protein because it makes it taste amazing. Okay, right, so I've done that nicely, and I just add it to my lovely stew that I'm making. Right, so that's all that it is. It doesn't take that long, and no, beef mince doesn't take that long to cook. Cover it and allow it to cook, and open it up, and as you can see, it's really cooking nicely. What I need to do right now is to just add a bit of water to it, so that I allow it to simmer for a while before I add my other ingredients. Right guys, the aroma in my kitchen is amazing. I'm adding some spices. Okay, I'll put them all in the description box. Some my heavy mixture, some aniseed, and some paprika. As you can see, it's cooking really nicely. It's almost done, guys. And I am going to put my macaroni into the sauce. Oh, yum. This is really comfort food, so you have to try this, okay? I add some water to it, okay, so that it will cook the macaroni nicely and soft, because it wasn't cooked properly. As I told you before, this is why I did it that way, so that the spices will go into the macaroni. Guys, it's amazing. Oh, I tell you, you have to try this recipe. You gotta try it. I'm adding some veggies, some carrots, and some spring onions. Okay, yes, I love doing this because I like adding a lot of veggies into my food to make my kids eat a lot of veggies. Okay, moms, can you agree with me with this? You know, yeah, we do that so that our kids will eat a lot of veggies, but it's optional. All right, I add some sweet pepper, chopped sweet pepper onto it as well. I just like the aroma it gives to the food when you cut them and put it into the food. So yeah, that's why I did that. So it's all done. As you can see, it smells amazing. This is no jokes. It smells so good and it tastes so good. So guys, you have to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share this, okay, and try this recipe. You are going to love it. Bye.